Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're learning how to use search on the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. And we're going to do phrase searching today. So let's dive right in. Click on the little magnifying glass in the top right-hand corner. And we're going to look for a phrase within the book Education. Now, before I have shown you that you can either use the title of the book or you can use the book code to do a search. And I'm going to search for the phrase, and when I do phrase search, you need to open the phrase with the double quotes. And then I'm going to type the word, close the phrase with another double quotes, and then hit search. And straight away you can see on Education page 57, we have found the quote that I'm looking for. So I just, it automatically opens up the first result because there was only one result. You don't have to tap it. If there's more than one result, you can go ahead and tap here. But if there's only one result, it's already opened for you. So that's how we do the phrase searching within a book on the EGW Writings 2 app. I hope this little tech tip has been a blessing and helps you in your daily study. Have a nice day.